Couple prints QR code of payment app on a wedding card for guests to send gift. A couple from Tamil Nadu, Madurai prints QR code of payment apps on their wedding card so that guests could transfer money in the form of gift to couple's bank account. The move was aimed to increase the cashless transaction and reduce the risk of COVID-19 infection. About 30 guests have used this facility and transferred money as their wedding present to the couple. If you feel WhatsApp will compromise your data, delete it. Delhi High Court to petitioner. Delhi High Court Judge Justice Sachdev on Monday told petitioner who has filed a challenging case on WhatsApp new privacy policy, don't join it. It's a voluntary thing. If you feel WhatsApp will compromise data, then delete WhatsApp. The petitioner accused that WhatsApp and Facebook are analyzing the behavior of users. Justice Sachdev said, not only WhatsApp, delete all the applications. Samsung vice chairman gets 2.5 years jail in terms of retrial of a bribery case. A South Korean court has sentenced Samsung vice president J.Y. Lee to 2.5 years in prison during the retrial of 2016 bribery case. In 2017, Lee was convicted and sentenced for 5 years in jail for bringing an associate of former South Korean President Park Geun-hye. His sentence was later reduced and suspended on an appeal. Tesla starts delivering Shanghai-made Model Y SUVs in China. Tesla on Monday said that it has delivering a Shanghai-made Model Y sports utility vehicles (SUV) in the customers' China. The starting price of the Model Y vehicle has been set as 3,39,900 yuan. It's all about $52,400. Tesla receiving permission from Chinese government to start selling its cars from November last year. Hike messaging app shuts down. Removed from App Store. Hike messaging app has shut down and vanished from Google and Apple's App Store after the startup announced its app was going off the air earlier this month without giving any explanation. Hike founder Kevin Bharti Mittal has announced on January 6 that closure of Hike stickers and chat. India won't have its own messenger. Mittal has tweeted admitted WhatsApp privacy policy controversy too. Google acting like a super regulator. Fintech firms overloan app cases. Indian fintech firms have alleged Google like acting a super regulator by asking for details that even RBI does not ask for. They have sent a list of apps to Google, run mostly by Chinese companies, that they have been allowed on Play Store despite of offering 7 to 14 days loan products. ET report. They have also demanded uniform regulation from Google. Manipal University Jaipur launches UGC recognized online MBA. A NAC A+ accredited university, Manipal University Jaipur has launched UGC recognized online MBA. The flexible study on the go model allows working professionals to attend live and record sessions according to their work schedule and even write online protocol exam from home. The 2 years program is priced at 1,20,000 payable easily in installments also. Apple sued for not removing Telegram app over violent content in US. A non-profit organization has sued Apple in US for not removing Telegram from App Store, despite knowing that it is being used to intimidate, threaten, and concern members of the public. The suit filed Coalition of Safer Web also alleges Telegram is being used for coordinate and incite extreme violence before the inauguration of US President-elect Joe Biden. Oppo launches Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphone and Enco X wireless earphones. Oppo has launched Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphone and Oppo Enco X True wireless earphones in a live event today. Oppo said that 5G is ready smartphone comes with industry first AI highlight video feature and offers Reno Glow design that makes surface scorch and fingerprint resistant. The Reno 5 Pro 5G is powered by 5G integrated MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus chipset. So guys, that was tech news for the day. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button. Keep watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video, share the video and share your views in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.